Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to save audio files from WhatsApp in your iPhone gallery. For that, firstly, open your WhatsApp application. Now here, open the chat that you want to save the audio from. Now for this video, I'm going to save this audio. Now simply long press on that audio. Now this kind of box will appear and there you can see forward option at the second. You have to tap on it. And at the downside at the right, you can see share icon. You have to simply tap on it. Now this kind of box will appear. You have to tap on save to files. Now remember one thing, that you cannot save your audio files directly into your gallery. You need to save it in your iCloud drive in order for your future reference. Now at the top right, you can see save option. You have to simply tap on it. Now the audio has been saved in your files or your iCloud drive. Now, even if you delete this conversation, this voice message or this application, the voice message will be still there in your files or your iCloud drive. And this is how you can save audio files in your iPhone gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.